Figuring out which social media platform to be on that's actually going to be lucrative for you and connect you authentically to your ideal clients can be overwhelming. It can be scary. It can be just a hell no, I'm not doing it. It's too much kind of experience for you. So I'm going to share with you in this video the 3 questions you need to ask to determine which 2, maximum 3 platforms you should be on. Because if you even just mastered one platform, you can make high 6 figures, and some people are making 7 figures on it as holistic practitioners and clinic owners. So you don't need them all. You just need the right one in the right format. So that's what we're going to go through. So you are going to go out and talk to 15 to 20 people that are your ideal clients. Not the ones that book all the time where you cringe when you see them on the schedule, but the ones you absolutely love. If you don't have these clients, then you can find them on Facebook or LinkedIn or whatever and ask them if they would gift you 15 minutes of their time so that you could do some research for your company. Most people will say yes. So what you're going to do is you are going to directly reach out to these people. That means phone calls. That means direct email or messaging. It is not a monkey survey. It is not a post on your social media platforms. Those do not work. I have had this fight multiple times with clients who waste weeks on this, and then they spend one day, make all those phone calls, and ta-da, they're ready to go. So don't get sucked into the hole of informal, cold surveys. They do not work. Reach out to these people because you love them. Build those connections at every step of the way. So what are the 3 questions? The first question is, where do they love to hang out? Which social media platform do they spend the most time on versus all of them? We just want the one that they're on the majority of the time. Where do they have their binge addiction? Write that down. The second question is, how do they love to consume that format? So for example, if it's Facebook, do they like posts? If they're posts, do they like them as short or long? Do they like reading articles on Facebook? Do they love the stories feature? Do they love lives? Do they enjoy being in groups? Do they prefer to have it separated out so it's on a business page? You want to get very specific on how they like to consume the content so that you aren't trying to build every single piece of content. We want the primary pillar of what content's going to work for you. Then the third most important question, even though they're all important, is, have they ever purchased through that platform? Because if they have not, do not waste your time and energy there. You want to know what platforms your ideal clients are going to make purchases for their transformation. So if they're already comfortable purchasing through Facebook or Pinterest or Instagram or YouTube or whatever, then you are not having to fight that uphill battle. It makes it very easy to put out CTAs, calls to action, or offers very easily that they're comfortable signing up with you for. So make sure you ask that question. You have all those answers, put them into a spreadsheet, and anything, because again, it's 15 to 20 people, anything that's 7 of the same or above, that's the stuff you follow. Anything less than that, you leave, because we are focusing 80% of our marketing here for 80% of the people that are going to buy, right? We are not running a bespoke business. Bespoke means custom for every single client. You might think everything's different for every single client that I work with. It's not. That's another video. We can talk about that later. But in this instant, you want the most traction possible that you can get for the content that you are consistently putting out there. 7 or above, that's what you're going to do. If you have more than one, then that's where you would add a second platform. But I assure you, I have done this repeatedly for everything I have built over my 20 plus years in this industry, and it has never led me wrong. So go out there and do it. You'll be very surprised at what you receive. And you can go learn that, master that platform, make a lot of money, keep making it happen. Cheers.